In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Go up to the address bar at the top of the window. Click once in that bar so the cursor is active. Then type Google and press Enter. This will take you to the Google search page. If your browser takes you somewhere else first, such as a home page you set earlier, that is fine. Just type Google in the address bar and press Enter to navigate there. Once you are on Google, take a moment to confirm you are on the main Google page or a Google results page. You should see the familiar search interface. From here, look along the top area of the page where Google shows different options or tabs. In many layouts, these are items like All, Images, News, and other tools. What you are looking for is the option labeled AI. Now select AI at the top. Click it once, and wait for the page to load. When it opens, you will be in Google's AI section, where you can access AI-powered features provided through Google's interface. If you do not immediately see the AI option, it may be tucked under a menu like More, or the layout may vary depending on your region or account settings. In that case, scan the top navigation carefully and look for anything that expands additional options, then choose AI from there when it appears. After you are in the AI area, you can begin exploring whatever AI tools are available in your version of Google. As a general tip, if a page takes a while to load, give it a few seconds and make sure your internet connection is stable. Also, keeping Chrome updated can help these features appear and run smoothly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.